All right, 2012 Honda Civic. This customer complaint is a delayed jerk when accelerating. And let's see, this thing has just almost 180,000 kilometers, if anybody's wondering. 178,000. And yeah, so when I took it for a road test, I accelerate, and yeah, as it shifted, it felt like it was like a thump. So either the engine mount, or maybe there's something wrong with the transmission. But I feel like this thing is the one of the engine mounts is broken or something's up with them. So let's take a look. All right, so I removed the cover, and my suspicion is correct. I took a look. Oh, I peeked through here, right, and then I saw some rubber shavings on the subframe. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in this angle. You can see the rubber jiggly bits right there. And yeah, this engine mount is toast. You can see it right there. See all those rubber pieces? And let me get a pry bar. All right, got my pry bar here. You don't have to pry it too much, but here you can just definitely see that this engine mount is completely broken. See? And also the one on the front, let me show you what it looks like. So I hate to ask somebody to do this again for me, but I'll explain what this engine mount is doing. So when you're accelerating, this mount lifts up, and then as it shifts, it drops. So you're getting that thump, or as the customer says, it's got a jerk or a delayed jerk or something. I think that's what the RO said. Actually, here's a better view. I'm just twisting it, right, and you can see it go up. Oh. You can find a better angle. Where can I pry it up on here? I'm just moving it a little bit. See, you can definitely see that mount on the bottom is broken. So yeah. And I know someone's going to ask what the part number is. That's the part number for the lower mount. Don't have that upper mount for the engine side because we don't have that in stock. Alright, so here's a view of what it looks like of the old one. Right, this one's completely broken, right, compared to the new one. So yeah, definitely that thumping noise there when you're accelerating. I also felt it when, you know, when you accelerate and then you lift off the gas pedal, you can also feel it that way too. So yeah, that's this engine mount. Okay. I wonder if I can get it completely out. Nah, probably need both hands for it. So if any of you are having the same kind of issue as I'm trying to explain, yeah, definitely check your engine mounts and see if they're okay. It might not be a tranny issue. It might just be something simple as your broken engine mounts. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Of course, you know, even though a customer has a complaint, you might as well do a full inspection. Front brakes are like 3 mil. And then let me show you what else. Also, the rear shocks are leaking. You can see it's been leaking all the way down there.